What's going on, buddy, and welcome back to another video. So as you can see, the Ferrari F40 is looking quite different. The rims is different, and you know, decided to add a black top because when I modified this thing. And by the way guys, this thing is now brushless. Yanked the system out of a 4x4 small mini truck, so it's brushless. Has a light tune on it. Need a programming card to really upgrade things like that, but decided to throw it inside of it and give it more power because this chassis is a bit heavier, even though I've done some lightweight reduction to it and stuff like that. So just took it out today to see how it will do with a few little laps and a few little rips around the court. So if you're new to the channel, welcome, drop a like and subscribe. So how low the car is, guys, the leaves kind of giving it a little bit of issue, but that's not really a factor. That's not really a problem, I should say. Right now this is medium throttle, and if you listen good, you can hear it spinning. Let me do a little bit of short track to show you guys how good of handling the car has. Yes guys, so it's very versatile. This can transform a Rastar, you could say, kid's toy into a more of a hobby grade toy. As you can see guys, it's running quite smooth, and I did do some form of as I said before, suspension modification, change the springs, and you know, lower the car to the proper height because you know it does have a little bit of issue with rubbing when I did the first mod and fitment to see how things would hold up. But yes guys, that was just quarter power. A little bit, it gets a little bit sketchy when it goes full power, so I think I might stick to this power system instead of it. I can upgrade the motor as well, but this system seems to be working quite well, and I don't really want to overpower it as well because I still want to keep it as a car show type setting, but also, you know, let it have some speed and also be trackable. So stay tuned for that guys.